still so empty because I'm not done decorating. Hello internet, welcome back and welcome to my channel. My name is Tori. I really hope you can't hear the cicadas because they are fierce today. Today I have an update for my A to Z project pan. This is a Fantastic Ladies collab that was created by Jessica and Amanda. As always, they will be listed down below, as well as the master list for this year's round of this project. Sadly, I don't have anything rolling out this update, but I still have progress. So starting from the top, I have A, and for A, I have the limecrime Venus palette. So this is what Aura currently looks like. My goal is to hit pan and Aura, and since the last update I only used it once, I need to remember my inner corner exists. We're keeping this palette out so I can remember that because I don't know why I forget. Next, for B, C, and I, they all come from the Revolution's Precious Stones in Amethyst palette. I have Bear, Champagne, and Imperial. Why did I think that was wrong? Since the last update, I used Bear twice, I used Champagne twice, and I used Imperial twice. I am wearing all three today, but it didn't count for this video. These are really gonna be my focuses for this next month. I want to see if I can finish one of them by next month's update. Let's finish all of them by next month's update, but definitely one of them. Next, this one needs to get used. From the Urban Decay Beach palette, I have the shade Daybreak. My goal is to hit pan in Daybreak, and since the last update, I didn't use it. This one's definitely gonna be a fail. I already know that, but like I need to get some use out of it. That would be ideal. Next, from the Naked 3 palette, I have the shade Factory. My goal is to hit pan in Factory, and since the last update, I only used it once. I could have wore it today, but I forgot. I mean, it still wouldn't have counted, but at least it would have a use for next month. Next, from Fenty Beauty, I was about to say Huda Beauty. Oh my gosh. This is the Hustler Baby highlighter. My goal is to finish it. I don't know if I'll be able to finish it, but I definitely want to hit pan on it. Since the last update, I used it 3 times. No excuses, no excuses. Next, from the Colourpop Zodiac palette, I have the shade Gemini. Since the last update, I used it once again with the shade. I just need to find shades I like with it. I do not like it with neutral looks, so I need to figure out what shades I do like it with because I can't recall. Next, from the Urban Decay and Jean-Michel Basquiat Face Gallery palette, I have the shade Jawbone. My goal is to hit pan in Jawbone, and since the last update, I used it 9 times. It's looking good, slow and steady. There's kind of a dip, like you can kind of see that dip right there, but I'm wearing it down evenly, and I'm not trying to. So we'll see what happens. I almost forgot one. There is one item that I don't have with me. Next, for K, I have from the Colourpop Just My Luck palette, Kiss My Arse. Since the last update, I haven't used it. I haven't been wearing green, but for the monochromatic year project pan, this month is green, so should be wearing some. We'll see, hopefully. Next, for L, I have Libra from the Colourpop Zodiac palette. I was about to say like Lyra. This is not Lyra. My goal is to hit pan in it. Since the last update, I haven't used it. I need to start wearing this. I really want to hit pan in these little singles, and I thought they would be easy, so I don't know why I'm not using them. Next, for M, I have the ABH Riviera palette, and the shade I'm focusing on is Monte Carlo. My goal is to hit pan in Monte Carlo, and since the last update, I haven't used it. This and Libra would pair so well together. Why don't I do it? I don't know. Next, for P, I have Posh Spice from You Know Who. Since the last update, I haven't worn it. This was just packed away, so that's why I didn't get any attention at all. Next, I have my 2 shades from the Too Faced Sparkling Pineapples palette. I have Island Queen, which has a usage goal, but since the last update, I haven't used it. And Yum Yum, where my goal is to hit pan, and since the last update, I also haven't used it. This one should finally be getting more use. I feel like I could finish Bear by the next update, and then definitely I can do work on Yum Yum. I think that might be the plan. Next, I have my eyeliner from Urban Decay and Starfire. My goal is to finish it. Since the last update, I only used it twice. Better than none, better than none. This next item I don't have. I thought I packed it, but I guess I didn't. and that is the Colourpop Honey palette. My goal is to use the palette 25 times. Since the last update, I used it 3. I do not have the current number of uses left in front of me, so I'm gonna have to put it on the screen. I forgot to bring it. I am going home this weekend because it's Labor Day, so I will pick it up and bring it here, but like, I'm shocked I forgot it. Next, I have Tajin from the Kristen Leanne and Urban Decay Kaleidoscope palette. Since the last update, I've only used it once. My goal was to finish it. I think I might change the goal to just hitting pan, and then I'll just call it done for that, because there's no way I can finish it. Next, I've been working on this one more than the other one. I have my Urban Decay eyeliner pencil in Whiskey. My goal is to use half of it, and since the last update, I used it 5. I've been liking this eyeliner a lot when I wear eyeliner, so I would like to try to get this one out soon. That would be ideal. Next, I have Sugarpill's Hijinx. I have a usage goal on this. Since the last update, I haven't used it. I forget how many uses it has left. Once again, I'll put it on the screen, but I need to start wearing it because there's gaping a lot, and the scent's gonna go off semi soon, so I need to, you know, get my butt in gear. And the last item is something I'm also wearing today, and that's from the Colourpop Orange You Glad palette. That is Zested. My goal is to hit pan and Zested, and since the last update, I only used it once. I see this getting a lot of use this next month, so I'm not too concerned. I think my official goals for next month is to hit pan and Bare, because that needs to just be done. It's been going on way too long. It's been here too long. I want to keep up the usage on Whiskey, if not more. And I would like to, you know, get some use on the eyeshadows that haven't been used, even if it's at least 1 use. That would be ideal for me. That is how this project is currently going for me. It's definitely slower than last year, but still better than my previous year. I mean, not the year prior to last year. There you go. What was that year? 2019? I would like to pick up the speed of this project a little bit more, and hopefully by wearing makeup every day here at school, that will happen. That is my fridge being annoying, so that is my cue to go. If you enjoy me or Project Pan videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and all that jazz. And peace out, Girl Scout.